guys, it's a hot day in Turin. I unfortunately have to stay in Turin for one more night. Then we will continue on our Eurovelo bike trip. Now let's move with the bike to another booking. So I thought that the bigger hotel chain, the bigger chance that you get unnoticed while sitting without a booking. But it lasts only for 3 hours until they ask you for your room number. So at least you can try your luck. Tell them a random number. Man, I didn't realize they have a subway here. But why should we use subway with yeah, Brompton, right? That's the convenience of having a bike in a city. Complete freedom. No need to buy public transportation tickets. Otherwise, I love those wide streets. There's a bike lane. Yeah, classic Italian situation on the road. The campus. The great news is that it has 24 hours reception. And it's not that far from train station. Because I still don't know if I will continue to Cuneo by bike or by train. This hotel looks very modern. Check this out. There's an indicator of alarm present status. Put your key here. After check-in, I was pleasantly surprised with a room resembling an Ikea catalog. Huh? It works? With colorful furnishing and digital amenities. You could even watch Mr. Beast YouTube videos on TV. Guys, welcome to this nice campus. It's a very colorful room. Bed looks comfy. Really big television. This is very thoughtful. There's a mini fridge. Empty. Looks like a room from Ikea. Yes, 2 power sockets. No balcony, unfortunately. Wow, a digital air conditioner. And there's no do not disturb button. Wow. The bathroom. Pretty simple, but it has all I need. Very clean, very modern. I feel like living in an Ikea store. Thumbs up. Then I decided to explore Turin on my Brompton during the daylight hours. It was a great way to kill time before my gym reservation at 8 p.m. Okay guys, I left my stuff at hotel and now we are going to go to supermarket, which is not Carrefour Express, but Conad. I hope the price will be much cheaper. And then after that, I think I'm going to city center just to check out the Turin during the daylight. And cheap, guys. Loved some fruits, but since I don't cycle today, I'm looking more for some quick snack for the evening. Yeah, so I bought some cookies. It's not cheap either, Conad. There are more ofertas, but nothing that I would like. So on the left there is some kind of market that is closing right now. On my way, I stumbled upon a street market that reminded me my childhood when I was helping my parents selling clothes on the streets 24/7. I see some clothes and seafood, linen, some bags. Reminds me my old days when I was a kid and I was helping my parents selling the clothes. Wow, cars are really dangerous here. They don't wait for you. You have to move out their way. So here are the stops that Flixbus uses. I just read the article in the morning that one of the Flixbuses that went from Bratislava to Brno, it arrived to the bus station without one wheel. In the rear wheel there are like 4 wheels and it missed one of the wheels, and they were caught by police, and the driver lose its driver license. So that was a funny story. This might be the tallest building here in Torino. On the left there's a weird shaped building, some palazzo or something. This seems like a nice park. And there are no mosquitoes apparently, which is weird, right? Oh, what's that? I noticed there are a lot of homeless people, at least hiding in these galleries and streets. Everything is closed on Saturday. I don't know if it's intentional or not. It seems like a main street, but I missed this yesterday. It's quite busy. A lot of open shops. A lot of tourists. Meanwhile, I came across a Warhammer store filled with expensive toys. So I'm quite surprised they have a Warhammer shop with those toys. It's quite an expensive hobby. I often envied other kids who had money to buy these figures. But seeing them now, I realized it was just a fad. There's a big porcelain statue of an elephant and a kid reading from a book. I bet it has some religious meaning, but maybe from Hinduism or Buddhism. Okay, so I think I will camp here and eat a few snacks and wait for 8 p.m. Then I will go back to the gym. Wow, this is new. This is some kind of ancient gate. I have to make a photo. Wow, this is another level of mess. So much trash. Just where does it come from? All the trash. They have to bring a truck with a big ass tentacle. It grabs all the trash from the streets. Back at hotel, I encountered new challenge, locating gym. The hotel at a proposed university campus was a complete maze. I'm trying to get to the gym. First, there's no one at the reception, and we have to go to fitness. It's locked. I'm confused. There was the sign that the gym should be this way. Ah yeah, Technogym. While exploring, I found new fun looking rooms, from one with ping pong table to common room with collections of board games. And it's locked. Interview room. And a relax room. Wow, check this out. This is the relax room in the basement. What's here? That's the gym, but no one's inside. So there's a fully furnished kitchen, American fridge, not functioning. It's completely new, not even unboxed yet. Table football. Yes! got a goal. I was never good at it. Probably this is like a intimate box for two to sit. There's no echo. Here is the piano. I wish to learn piano someday, but not today. Wow! Black Mirror Anthology series. I love that TV series. We have Monopoly, Riziko, Twister, Scotland Yard, Puzzles, and they made the Black Mirror card game. Interesting. But unfortunately all in Italian. Alright, there's TV, a lot of chairs. I don't know what the interview room is for. Interview room 1, 2, tutor room, study room. They have even a table tennis room. Check this out. Very nice patio with the seats, place to sit, fat boy. I love this campus. Definitely worth the money. Definitely better than all other hotels that were at this price range. Eventually I managed to locate the gym. After weeks on the road, I was happy to enjoy a proper chest and back workout. Guys, we are in. Wow, look at this place. So there's a running machine, the bench. This one is for shoulders. I think I will do some bench presses, chest and back. Let's go. There, a digital workout machine caught my eye. It lacked adjustable weights and you needed an app with subscription to even start working out. Guys, let me show you one thing. I was surprised why I need to register for a Technogym application. Now it makes sense. Look at those machines. They don't have adjustable weight. There's no way how you can adjust your weight. Everything is digital. You need an application. Check this out. To even start working out. Let's say you registered for the application, and you have to make an account and scan the QR code. So let's say I want to get stronger. It remembers my last workout on other machine. It will guide you how to do the proper posture. Confirm that I finished my exercise and it will calculate ideal workload. Holy crap. My maximum workload is 35 kilograms. No need to calculate your 1 rep max from the dumbbells. You don't need calculator, it just calculates it for you. So now let's continue. It shows the workload 10 kilograms, 8 repetitions, 3 sets. Yeah, let's go. It's crazy that the machine will adjust the workout for you. I definitely don't enjoy this type of workout. I like to experiment, I like to set my own weight, so that's what I want to show you. With that, my last day in Turin came to close and I was looking forward to leave the city next day. But more about that in the next episode.